I didn't have a plan for Guatemala. Just bags, lands, and the hunger of the edge. I have learned that the world doesn't reveal itself to those who apply every turn. It reveals itself in the friction, in the roar of a bike contest, in the silence of a flight above the clouds, and in the rhythm of a place that doesn't care about your schedule. It's not just a trip. I didn't expect to find people who move at this pace. But here I am, ready for whatever comes next.
Hey guys, and welcome to my very first English vlog. If you've just discovered my videos on YouTube, there are probably two reasons why. First, Trump decided Americans shouldn't be used Chinese TikTok anymore long time ago. Second, all those carefully selected songs I used in my old Bilibili vlogs apparently come with a tiny little thing called copyright. For those who don't know, Bilibili is basically the Chinese version of the YouTube. I spent hours picking the perfect music for my videos and exactly 0 hours checking whether I was actually allowed to use it. It's gotten so bad that I had to write my own intro music for this fucking video. So, if you're a famous musician and you'd like me to use your music in a future vlog, feel free to reach out. This trip took me all the way to Guatemala, a journey packed with road trips, erupting volcanoes, volcano hikes, paraglidings, kayaking, random walks through villages, lazy afternoons by the lake, motorcycle rides, and plenty of moments where I questioned my life choices. It was a solo trip was somehow both incredibly chill and slightly terrifying at the same time. Right now, I'm on the shuttle bus heading toward the foot of one of Guatemala's most famous volcanoes. And of course, the team. Julie, a Bad Bunny superfan, and one half of the group's unofficial translation department. Thomas, professional sunrise sleeper. Oh no! Chris, born in Nicaragua, working in Germany, and the other half of that translation department. Between the two of them, they could communicate in English, Spanish, and German, and somehow keep the rest of us functioning. The cousin sisters, always behind. The cousin brothers, always ahead. Juana, a makeup artist with an Olympic level P frequency. And this is her big beard brother. Jack.
Hey, where the hell is Jack?
A single gentleman from Thailand, and a man whose business required him to spend a surprising amount of time outside Thailand. And our guide.
Oh, hi, this is Michael Jackson.
Anyway, with this chaotic international squad assembled, it was time to climb a volcano.
So the place where you start is called Miratenango. Is where you start. From this point, you will start to walk inside of the cloud forest. It will be most of the time.
I have Starlink. Yeah, so that means we can use internet in the volcano.
Bro, what?
Switchbacks going off all the time.
Okay.
launch spot we spend for 40 minutes or 30 minutes, depends on everyone.
Let me do an interview. How are you guys doing? Good? Good? Too easy! Too easy! Oh, what?
So after lunch, guys, you will have another 3.5 kilometers until base camp. Over here we have some stops, some shops where you can buy water, some snacks. The last 3.5 kilometers will be a little bit more easy. We'll be going up, down, up. Some parts is flat until base camp, 3,600 meters. Right here, you will already have the view from Fuego Volcano.
Hi guys!
Oh, look! Hey, David! Amigo! We are twins! Beautiful picture.
So from this point, you will arrive around 3:30, 4 p.m. for base camp.
Look at this. Okay.
Then after this one, we have the extra tour to go Fuego hike. The tour is going to be 40 minutes going down and 40 minutes going up until this point.
I'm actually also like just realizing. Oh, can they even offer stuff like that?
Wow, with so many different flavors, man.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. You have a name because I have a friend from China.
Yeah, it's 雨点. Can just eat it.
翻过这座山就可以看到火山喷发了。现在是下午6点，马上快7点，6点多。然后，你看周围全是火山，还差一点。然后我们现在到山坳坳里面，这是一座双子火山。我们脚下现在，我现在是在登第2座，然后翻过这个就可以看到Fuego火山。Yeah.
The Camellón of Fuego is where you stay to see eruptions around 200-300 meters away of the crater. So you will be close to see the eruptions from this point.
Ooh, I'm good.
不知道能不能看到我 ？OK， 有点光了。下面是城市，然后上面是火山。Okay, thank you.
Over this point, we spend around 1 hour maximum to see eruptions from this volcano. After the hour, we take the way back to the base camp. So normally the way back to the base camp is more longer. It's taking just 1 hour going down and 1 hour 30 minutes back to the base camp.
It's been so hard. We are now going back to the camp and drink some hot cocoa milk. Ah. Come on, almost.
One way round trip will be 6 kilometers in total. After you arrive at base camp, around 9:30, 10 o'clock, maximum 11, the guys will give you your dinner, hot chocolate, and something more. You spend here the time, you spend the night here to see more eruptions. After this, guys, at next morning at 4 a.m. you need to be ready to do the hike to the sunrise of Acatenango. That will be 3,976 meters. Right here you have a 360 view where you can see all around of the volcano. So you can see Fuego volcano, Agua, all of the city around of this area, and if you have a really good luck, over here is the lake Atitlan. You can see from this, from the top of the Acatenango volcano. You will be here before the sun is out. You see the sun, and you will have a little bit more time to take pictures, spend a little bit.
Hi, I'm Peter. 我现在在 Acatenango 的火山顶上，然后我已经登顶了。本来今天早上就是特别 like hesitating, like I don't wanna get up, I wanna sleep, fucking sleep. 但是我还是起来了。然后圆了我这个在印尼 Rinjani 火山没有日出的时候登顶的遗憾。现在我们爬了72分钟，然后现在的海拔是这个3596米，早上日出是5点33日出，然后现在是5点22，还有11分钟日出了。然后就是我其实什么东西都没有带，我太累了。昨天晚上就睡了4个小时，我12点多才睡。然后那边是火山 ，you can rotate the
completely
the voltage to there, and it's fucking amazing, bro. And I think this is not active volcano, right? It's a dead volcano. Dead. Okay. And thank you very much, Julie.
Time here, and then start to descend back to the base camp. You will be here at base camp at around 7 a.m. to start to pack your stuff. Don't forget nothing. You will take breakfast here around 7:45, 8 a.m. is the time where you back.
No sabría para qué go to
Disneyland?
Yeah.
Are you still crying?
Yeah. From yesterday. She saw you and she's like, ah, baby.
Is that wet paper?
Yeah. You fine.
I have a big bag of it.
Of course.
I'm not surprised at all.
Do you know that condom is very useful in wild nature because it's a very good tools to carry a lot of water. So you don't watch the like wild adventure shows or something?
I'm not watching that type of porn. That's not my thing. You know.
To the bottom of the hike. Normally, the way back to the bus is around 2 hours and a half or 3 hours maximum.
What?
I just feel the power of money.
Yeah. Well, it's just because I eat a lot. If I go to a restaurant, I eat one plate. I'm
2 euros.
Yeah, it's fucking expensive, but no. Yeah.
我现在在火山上拉野屎，我操，太爽了，太爽了！这段路就是越野车上来的，就是1500的那个，但是看起来真的好适合 off road， 我也想开我的 Mitsubishi 过来。
People are aware that it's hard here. They have like fans, they have AC. In Germany, there is no AC.
Why?
Only rivers.
Oh! Ciao. Ciao. Oh, is that a sheep or a dog? Oh no, it's a man.